Egusi soup is a rich, hearty dish deeply rooted in West African cuisine, known for its bold flavors and nourishing ingredients. Made from ground melon seeds, this soup is traditionally cooked with leafy greens, assorted meat, fish, and a variety of spices, creating a deliciously aromatic and creamy texture. This beloved dish is a staple in Nigerian households and across the region, offering a perfect balance of flavor and nutrition. Whether paired with fufu, pounded yam, or any other swallow, egusi soup is a culinary treasure that invites warmth, comfort, and a true taste of tradition. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roslyn and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. As we cook, I'll be sharing pro tips to make your egusi soup even more flavorful and unique. Trust me, these little tricks can really elevate your dish. And here's where it gets fun. I've also got some amazing facts about egusi soup that I bet most people don't even know. For instance, did you know that the melon seeds used in egusi are actually a major source of protein in West Africa? Well, that's just one of the things we'll be talking about. So stick around because throughout the video, I'll be dropping these useful tips and fun facts that will not only help you make an incredible egusi soup, but also give you a deeper appreciation for this amazing dish. So let's get cooking and have some fun together. The ingredients for today's recipe are ground melon seed, pepper mix, which is a blend of red bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and cayenne pepper, bitter leaf, smoked fish, ground crayfish, stockfish, cow skin, which is also known as pomo, crushed bouillon cubes, uziza leaf, palm oil, and onion. All the ingredients have been prepped and are ready to go. The ground melon seeds, that is the egusi, have been finely blended to form a smooth powder and further mixed with water in order to form a paste. The pepper mix has been carefully blended to just the right consistency. The uziza leaves have been washed and chopped, ready to add that distinct peppery flavor, while the smoked fish and stockfish have been softened and deboned for easy cooking. Here are some fun facts about egusi soup. 1. The term egusi refers to the seeds of certain types of melons, particularly the African melon, and these seeds are not only delicious but also packed with protein and healthy fats. 2. Egusi soup is incredibly versatile. While it's traditionally made in Nigeria, variations exist across West Africa, with each region adding its unique twist, like the use of different spices or types of greens. Start by heating some palm oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions and sauté until they are soft and fragrant, releasing their sweet aroma. Next, pour in the blended pepper mix and stir it well. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the peppers to cook down and intensify their flavor while the oil begins to rise to the top. Next, spoon the egusi paste into the pepper mix in small dollops. Egusi seeds are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making the soup not only delicious but also nutritious. They are known to support heart health and may help lower cholesterol levels. Stir occasionally but gently and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the egusi absorbs the liquid and forms into soft, fluffy lumps. This mixture will thicken as the egusi cooks. Here are some helpful tips for making the best egusi soup. 1. Use fresh high-quality ingredients for the best flavor. 2. Do all your chopping and blending before you start cooking in order to make the cooking process smoother and more efficient. 3. Allow the ground melon seeds to cook well in order to enhance their flavor. 4. Feel free to experiment with different proteins to customize your egusi soup to your taste. Once the egusi has cooked, add the stockfish, pomo, and smoked fish or your desired protein. These proteins will infuse the soup with their unique flavors while absorbing the richness of the stew. Allow this to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Next, incorporate the ground crayfish and seasoning. These will enhance the depth of flavor and bring a rich, savory taste to the soup. Another helpful tip for making the best egusi soup is to make it ahead. Egusi soup often tastes even better the next day as the flavors meld together. So consider making a large batch to enjoy leftovers. Next, add the washed bitter leaf and the chopped uziza leaves. These greens will add both a fresh, slightly bitter taste and a peppery kick, balancing the richness of the soup. Then allow this to simmer for a few more minutes until tender. And finally, taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if necessary. If the soup is too thick, you can add a bit more water or stock to reach your desired consistency. Then simmer for a final few minutes to ensure all the ingredients are perfectly cooked and the flavors are well blended. And there you have it! Our rich, flavorful, and absolutely mouth-watering egusi soup is ready. This dish is packed with bold flavors, tender proteins, and the perfect blend of spices. Whether you're serving it with fufu, pounded yam, or any other side of your choice, this egusi soup is sure to impress. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me and learned some fun tips and tricks to elevate your dish. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep making every meal more delicious.